So it's fairly interesting. It's slightly
So there's the eye. And
Yeah.
how do you do it with the randomizer?
Yeah, it's just on an Arduino.
Oh, I see.
On a randomizer.
See, I went old school with like a cam drive, and then it springs like it will naturally want to open, but then the cam will turn it, and make it close on the roses.
Yeah.
What's this do? Anything?
It does.
Or it just spins around?
It just spins around a little bit.
Looks cool.
There.
Like my rosy eyes.
Yes.
Yeah. And then of course you can wave.
Then the antenna's just totally on a randomizer, but we've got control over the head front to back, side to side.
Let me.
Twisting.
Oh, this front
I like
panel
that.
is only held on by these two top screws, so it's completely free floating.
Oh. Just use magnets. I hold on a lot of.
On the side from where the body is, you can see there's just like titanium.
There's nothing. It only touches like up here at the very top.
Because it's meant to have free space for these treads.
Nylon? TPU. Yeah.
TPU for AMS. I tried it out on him.
Yeah, I use nylon for mine.
How come I didn't know that?
Because I needed that slip. I think I have a lot more surface contact, so I need more slippage. So that's why I went with nylon.
This is slippery as snail slip.
Yeah.
I have very little contact.
Yeah, because of the way it rides. Like I've got so much contact with the ground that I had rubber on there, and the whole thing would bind up like a 4-wheel drive with locked hubs, you know. So.
Yeah.
Are they both brothers?
Kind of.
Yeah,
We're both builders.
Hello.
You gotta get an arm on him so he can wave.
Oh no, these can be done by little kids.
Yeah, it's fairly simple controls. You don't even need an Arduino for anything like that.
No, he's got the Arduino in the head to make the randomizer. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Eventually, what we're going to do is going to have all the sounds for him on the switches.
Here, I'll show you how I did mine. So I just have an MP3 player here, right? And it goes to it goes to a Bluetooth transmitter, and then I have a Bluetooth receiver in the robot, so I can control it all from here.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we're just going to do it on the remote because there's a DO from Badley has a sound files that you can set up off of here.
Yeah.
Or they have a program for an Arduino.
I see, yeah.
And it uses a DF player mini.
Yeah.
So then you can just flick a switch and it'll activate the sound.
Yeah, I have the exact same control for the Rosie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Fleischke's good.
Yeah, it actually works really well. It's just this is our first time out with him, and we're gonna have to. He's super twitchy, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of put some more dead space in the middle here.
Can you adjust? Like I can adjust my pot with this. With this radio.
Yeah, we can do the same here. I just haven't done it yet because I only have like a couple feet in my house to really run him.
A little bit of bed liner on the track. That'll give you more grip, yeah.
This is also the first time we've ever had him outside the house.
Nice, he's running good. Usually my stuff all breaks the first time I take it out. I barely get in the doors of places.
We did try and do some trial on this, and the drive system is a pretty standard battery one, so it's about as reliable as a brick.
What are you powering it with?
I got 12-volt sealed lead acid in there.
No, I mean for motor.
Oh, the same motors as the R2, so it's an E100 12-volt scooter motor.
Okay.
One in each leg.
Hub motor.
Yeah.
Like a hub motor. I'm using cordless drills.
It's the... Yeah, you can see the motor with the reduction gearbox.
Yeah.
And then it runs the gear here on the wheel.
Yeah.
So it's really low.
Yeah, I just run the 2 cordless drills on either side.
Yeah.
And it just goes through a gear reduction and then drives the tracks.
Yeah.
And then the rest of the track just goes along for the ride.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Similar but different enough. Picking up some tips. Tracks are very similar.
Oh yeah. A lot of individual prints, and then put a rod through them and
Yeah.
off with a screw, and there we go.
I didn't even do that. I just put the rod through and bent it over.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Badlands tracks are unique on that one.
Yeah.
This is Edison.
Edison.
Yeah.
How fun. Lizzie. Lizzie, look.
Is that yours?
This one's mine here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Did you build it or?
I did. He built his.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Wow.
We cross paths a lot. So
That's pretty cool.
yeah. Usually at Comic-Cons. But
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't make the Portland one 'cause I had some medical stuff come up. But,
Yeah.
yeah.
Did you bring him to the kids at malls? Like,
Yep.
yeah, but
Yep.
my son was like, there was a guy who brought Wally to the kids at mall. He was so excited.
Like just before I have a big event, I'll take them different places just to make sure everything works. Yeah. So the mall's a good place to do it.
Yeah. Are you going to be at Emerald City Comic Con?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Are you going to be with like drag builders or?
Yeah, I usually hang with these guys. There are 2 guys,
Okay.
and then but I'm not part of their club, so we just troll each other.
I see.
I don't have to pay club dues, but I get to hang with you guys.
Well, fortunately, ours doesn't have any club fees. But
Oh, there you go.
You could join. Very cool.
Nice.
Would it be alright if we took a picture?
Sure.
You want to sit down?